everybody. My name is Rob Anderson. I'm here on top of Stratosphere tonight with Blake and Angie, and they are a couple. They met a couple of years ago. We've established that. You guys have been dating for about how long again?
We've been dating for about 2 years.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Just a couple years ago, you guys went on some of your first dates then. You got to know each other and held hands, realized you liked each other and all that good stuff, right?
Yeah.
I want to take you back to early on in the relationship with our first trick, okay? Blake, I'm going to have you hold out a hand towards Angie. I'm going to hand you a card. I'm going to hand you the 10 of clubs. And Angie, I'd like you to place your hand on top of that in his hand so you're holding hands there. Yes, just like that. That's perfect. Remember holding hands on those first dates? Felt some romance, felt some magic. You're going to feel some magic tonight because I've got the Ace of Hearts, and the hearts are better for you two to have. As a couple here, I want you to just tell me, did you feel that?
Yeah.
Yes, did you feel that?
Yeah.
But did you feel that?
Oh.
Whoa.
That means you should have the, check it out, look at your card. Oh, good.
God.
I wanted you
Holy
to have the heart.
cow.
That's good. That's a good card for you to have.
Wow.
I'll take that back from you. So you're a good couple. I made a prediction earlier, actually, about meeting a couple. I predicted I would meet a very compatible couple, and I made a prediction on 4 cards that I took out of the deck. Now, these are queens. I removed them earlier. I did something special with them.
Okay.
This is a 2-part trick. Has to do with your compatibility. You're going to do great. Blake, you'll be first, but I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand. So, Angie, I'd like you to hold the cards, cupping your hand up just like that. Perfect, just like that. Hold the cards, freeze right there. Again, 2-part trick. You're going to be first here. I want you, Angie. Blake chose the hearts and the diamonds. Now, you can keep either one of those. Which one do you want, the heart or the diamond?
The heart.
The heart over the diamond. Love over money. That is a good choice. She's a keeper.
Yeah, exactly.
No funny moves. I predicted for you two. I actually thought that you would want the heart. The Queen of Hearts is the only one I turned over for you guys.
Heck.
I took it from a totally different deck
Oh
of
my
cards.
God.
Oh my gosh.
I knew you'd be so compatible. I brought the Ace of Hearts with me, but I knew that I would not have to bring any other cards at all for a compatible couple.
Holy cow.
Blake and Angie work so well together. I'm glad that trick worked,
That's
actually.
insane.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
that's
Thank
insane.
you.
That's
You
awesome.
good. You did good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Let's do one more. A grand finale. Sound good?
All right.
Do a grand finale, and I'd like your help with this, Angie.
Okay.
I would like you to think of any happy memory that you've made with Blake. I'm not going to try to guess it or say it. Just think of a time when you felt really happy with this special guy here in front of you. When you have that memory in mind, you can take a second if you need to. Seems like you already probably have it though.
She's like,
There's
"Oh,
been a lot of
no."
good memories. Good.
Yeah.
I just want you to think of the time it happened to the nearest hour, like on a clock, 1 through 12 o'clock. Just think of the number, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Does it make sense? So 12 is right there. I know you're thinking of one of these times and I have to figure out what this is. I would read your mind, but mind reading's not real, so just got to use a little bit of psychology here. I know first you're thinking of either a low or a high number. Don't tell me, just think low or high.
Well.
No, oh, she told me. It's okay.
Oh,
That's okay.
sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm going to make this harder and commit to this. Well, we know we don't need the high cards. So we know we don't need 7 through 12. It's a low card. Now, don't tell me anything else. I have to work for this one. So we know it's none of those cards. We know it was a low card, 1 through 6. Just think. It was either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Just think. It was not 1. I can tell that. She's definitely going to give me a poker face now, which is good. Angie, I know you're thinking of a memory that happened with this guy between either 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 o'clock. And I'm thinking that you were thinking that this memory happened at 4 o'clock. 4?
Yes.
We don't need any of these cards either. The 4 o'clock card is the only card left, and that concludes the show. Whatever you thought of, let your great guy here know what you thought of later on. Okay, for now, Blake, I'm going to hand this card to you, and that is a really good card. Why don't you take that, Blake? Okay, the 4 o'clock card is their special card that's left. You can show it to Angie whenever you're ready, okay?
Angie, will you be my forever?
Oh dear.